What's good, fam? It's your boy K-Dot here, back again with another one for you. And it's been raining like crazy. Like, the weather's been raining, snowing, hailing, doing everything in Atlanta for the last couple weeks, and it's just been like crazy. And I've been working hard, man, trying to just pay the bills. So I finally got time to do it today. I'm also doing a wrap on the Z today. I'm gonna wrap it black carbon fiber. It's gonna be cool. I'm actually at the Feller's warehouse now, about to pick up the wrap. I don't know if you see it. Yeah. Feller's warehouse, yeah. I'm up here about to pick up the wrap, and then we're gonna take it to get it wrapped at one of the shops down around the way. I got an ARC exhaust coming soon. That's gonna be installed for another day. I got more carbon fiber parts coming for the car. Can't wait to show you. So like within the next week or so. Crossing my fingers. I'll have videos for that. And as you can see, I put the Motordyne test pipes in there, and I got this crazy service engine light on. So you know a tune is coming. So I don't deal well with check engine lights, man. I don't mess with check engine lights, dog. So we'll get a tune. Gonna take it up to Z1, get a tune, and man, the car is gonna be looking lovely by that time, man. It's gonna be running, it's gonna be clean, and that's what I was going for, a clean, functional, running car that I can daily and gap people with from time to time. Oh my God, look at this 5.0 right here, sick. So let me go in here and get this wrap, and I'll show you guys exactly what it's looking like. Give them a little warm start real quick, All right, I'm gonna show y'all the wrap I got. So, here's a little carbon fiber. Just wrapping the roof with it. So, hopefully that'll look good. If not, I'll take it off, try something else. So, we're on our way to the wrap shop. Get that done. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. A little second gear pull for y'all. Is that a Gladiator right there? Is that a R8? Getting it clean and prepped. Super clean. Super dirty on the front. Clean and prepped. Is that a GTR? I think it is. Got some pretty clean cars over here. Like this BMW right here. Shit's sick. I would do a wrap like this on the Z, no lie. I would. I wouldn't keep it on there long, but I would do a wrap like this. Just to see how it looks, man, because that like army green is sick, man. Matte army green on black, can't beat that, bro. It's a moment, it's like a moment color, but when you're in a moment, you're killing it. You never know, we'll see how it goes in the future. But next time you see me, I'll have the roof wrap done, everything will be on there, and I'll show you the results. Here goes the finished product. My Michael Jordan is out, bro. That's crazy. Black carbon. Can't beat that, man. No bubbles. No bubbles anywhere. So, cool little addition. Tight. Nice.